Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. My name is Annie, and today I've brought the continuation of our Bessie the Cow. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make the muzzle, the ears, and the little horns for our cow. Let's start with the muzzle. We're going to begin by making a slip knot. I'm using the color pink. And I'll make a slip knot here and work 7 foundation chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've made the 7 chains. Now I make 1 chain to turn my work and go back into the loops, starting round number 1 in these loops. So for round number 1, we're going to do it like this. 1 increase, 5 single crochets, 2 increases, 5 single crochets, and 1 increase. Let's do it here. 1 increase. That's 2 single crochets in the same loop. See, I've made my increase. Now I'm going to do 5 single crochets. I've finished the 5 single crochets. Now I make an increase. Since it's 2 increases, I make 1 here, then turn and make the next increase in the other loop. It's a bit hidden here, guys. But if you just give the work a little stretch, you can see it. This is where we start picking up the loops on the other side, right? So here, 1 more increase, 5 more single crochets, and finish with 1 increase. All right, everyone. Now for round number 2. 2 increases, 5 single crochets, 4 increases, 5 single crochets, and 2 increases. Remember that the captions are passing right there at the top of the screen so you don't get lost. Done. Now for round number 3, we're going to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeated twice. Then 5 single crochets. Then 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeated 4 times. Then 5 single crochets. And finally, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeated twice. This is round number 3. All set, guys. Now, from round number 4 to round number 7, we'll just work single crochet over single crochet, and all these rounds will have 32 single crochets each. So let's work from round number 4 to round number 7, just stitch over stitch. I'll work mine, and when I'm finished, I'll be back here to continue with you. Okay, guys. Now we make a slip stitch. I've finished round 7 here. I'll make a slip stitch and cut a long tail for sewing. For the muzzle, I usually cut it longer than for the arms or legs because we have to go all the way around, so it uses a lot of yarn. I like to have plenty just to be safe. Now let's make the horn. I'll take the brown yarn here. We'll need to make 2 horn pieces. The horn is very quick. We'll start the first round by making a magic ring, securing our yarn, and making 6 single crochets in the magic ring for round number 1, giving us a total of 6 single crochets. Alright, now I close it and work round number 2, which will be single crochet over single crochet. To get that cone shape, we have to work stitch over stitch here. It will be a bit tight, but it can be done, okay guys? Done! Round number 2 is finished. Now let's go to round number 3, which will be 6 increases, and we'll have a total of 12 single crochets in this round. Now the last round, round number 4, will be single crochet over single crochet, and we'll have a total of 12 single crochets in round number 4. Done, and it will look like this. Now we finish with a slip stitch and cut a long tail for sewing. Then you can fasten off that inner yarn tail and cut it. You can tie a knot and cut it however you prefer, remembering that we have to make 2 identical pieces like this. Now let's make the ear. Well guys, for the ear we're going to do 6 single crochets in a magic ring. So start by making a magic ring with the white color, secure the yarn, and work 6 single crochets in this ring. Once you've made the 6 single crochets, let's close the ring and work round number 2, which will be 6 increases, for a total of 12 single crochets. Done! Rounds 1 and 2. Now in round number 3, we'll do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 18 single crochets in total. Now guys, for rounds 4 and 5, we'll just work single crochet over single crochet, and they will have a total of 18 single crochets each round. I'll work mine and come back to continue with you. I've finished round number 5. Now in round number 6, I'll do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. I'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 12 single crochets in total. Once round number 6 is finished, let's work rounds 7 and 8, just single crochet over single crochet. Each of these 2 rounds will have 12 single crochets in total. Alright, now let's do round number 9. And in this round, we're going to do 6 decreases. I always like to flatten the piece like this. It's easier than putting your finger inside when it's so tiny that your finger doesn't fit anymore, okay? Let's do 6 decreases here then. Round number 9 is finished. Now let's do round number 10, which will be just stitch over stitch. We'll have 6 single crochets in this round. Okay guys, now we're going to join the parts with 3 single crochets. We have 6. We'll join them here. the next spot I would enter and the last stitch I made. I enter, pull up my yarn, and make a single crochet. Then I enter the next 2 stitches here, going through with my needle, and in the last 2 little stitches, go through with my needle, pull up and make a single crochet. That makes 3. And here I pinch it so the ear stays like this, in this shape. Then just cut a tail for sewing. Like this, pull it through and arrange this part here. The ear will look like this. So guys, for this video, that was it. The ear, we need to make 2 horns, and just 1 muzzle here, okay? That was it then. I really hope you enjoyed it and are enjoying making Bessie the Cow. In the next video, we're going to make her belly and her tail. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll answer you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. A big kiss, stay with God, and until the next video, bye-bye.